My name is Safari. I came to Norway 7 years ago and I quickly fell in love with the country and the language. I also noticed that there are words in Norwegian that are totally untranslatable to other languages. Therefore, Visit Norway is sending me on an adventure so I can truly learn the meaning of these words in Word of the Day. Hi Safari. The word of the day is Friluftsliv. Hop on the bus, we have packed your backpack. Enjoy a peaceful retreat in the woods right outside of Oslo. Yes! Most of the people here in Norway, including me, love Friluftsliv. It's hard to explain the word, but it's okay because we're going to leave the word today since it's a lifestyle, so we're going to leave the Frilufts lifestyle. So the only thing that I have to do now is just find one of those red buses. Let's go!
The word Friluftsliv is put together by three words, fri, luft, liv, which literally translates into free air life. And that's exactly what the word means. You're out in the free, away from the city and everything stressful. Oh. You're in free air life. And the Norwegians love it. They basically leave the Friluftsliv as fast as they possibly can. And Friluftsliv can basically be about anything you do outdoors. Hiking, skiing, hunting, fishing, mountain climbing, camping, sleeping, texting, or even just sitting, as long as you're out in Friluftsliv.
Now off we go to the woods. So when I came to Norway for about 7 years ago, I didn't know about the Friluftsliv. I didn't care about it. I was like typical city boy. And then I got introduced to the nature and the Friluftsliv. And since that day, my life has been, you don't need anyone here. It's just you, your thoughts, nature, the sounds, the fresh air. It's good for your mental health and it's good for your heart. And it's also good for your body, because you can dance in the woods alone if you're scared to dance in the city. I just arrived towards the waters, but lucky for me, I'm always prepared. So I brought with me a map of the forest. There is this small island, Storholmen. So that is where I want to go because the sun will set in the west side. I want to be in the east side, facing the west side, so that I can get that sunset sunshine. Whoa, there's people out there swimming. How warm is it in the water? 18, 19 degrees. That's very perfect. Friluftsliv, what is it?
And that's when you go out in the nature and maybe go camping.
Using the nature as it is.
sort of any activity you do out in nature would be Friluftsliv. So be it skiing or hiking or rock climbing is a part of Friluftsliv.
It's basically anything that has to do with like being outdoors and in the woods, on the mountains.
I think Friluftsliv is more based on
Fresh air?
Yeah, and very natural nature.
Yeah.
Thank you. It looks like I just got a message from Visit Norway. They say, "Hi Safari, we have a surprise for you in your backpack." Oh, and it says, "Here is a nydelig matpakke. Love Visit Norway." Thank you guys. The typical matpakke is bread, butter and cheese. That's like the basic matpakke. But you can, you can do whatever you want with the recipe and make your own matpakke. Okay, bye-bye duckies. I'll see you guys later on. So, I could set up camp like anywhere around here, but I decided to go on the next side of the water. The advantage of going to hard places is that you can be by yourself, alone, because no one wants to take the hard way there. Oh, this is scary, guys. Okay, now, ah! Damn! Ah. Oh! Oh! My shoes are not the best shoes on the market right now. Oof. Yeah. I made it. I'm all by myself on an island. Oh yes! Finally! Welcome to paradise! The sun is going to set right there, so I'll have this beautiful view. The water is nice, it's peaceful, it's quiet out here. And this is my kitchen. This is where I'll make all my food for tonight. And this is where I'll set camp. Just right here. Oh, 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 oh. So I set up camp and now I'm going to make me some pizza rolls. I think that's what it's called. Da, 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 da. When I'm out fishing, it's like this type of meditation that you don't get anywhere else, It's so quiet and peaceful. You're looking at the sunset, the skies are pink, purple, orange, and everything looks so beautiful. I get it why a lot of people love Friluftsliv. Norway has these beautiful forests, mountains, fjords. You know, it has this authentic nature that you don't find anywhere else. Good night. Good morning, guys. Okay, let's go make some coffee. It's been amazing being out here, waking up to this beautiful sunrise. I'm very grateful that the word of the day was Friluftsliv, because it's one of the best words I know of. So thank you guys for today and yesterday, and I'll see you next time when we find out what the word of the day will be. Goodbye.